I don't know about you, but when the pandemic hit, I was left with a business consultancy whose income was slashed overnight. I know that some people lost their jobs, others had their salaries slashed. This could have happened to you too. It was frightening. This event forced me to look for another income stream. I needed a business that was pandemic proof, generated income, was global, and would not be affected by the economy of the country I was in, and was scalable. And I found it. At first, I was skeptical, but because I didn't want to feel the fear that I felt when my income was slashed ever again, I took action and I started this online business. And I have seen tremendous growth in my life. Setting up a lucrative business can be daunting. With this business, we take out all the hard work of setting it up. We provide a business in a box solution that comes with our proven 90% automated system. Products that give huge commissions, extensive step-by-step training that is constantly updated. And to ensure that you succeed, you will be paired with a mentor and coach. You do not need to be tech savvy or have a fancy degree to succeed in this business. But what you do need is your time, determination, a positive mindset, the willingness to learn, and you have to be coachable. If you are looking for more control in your life, more time to spend with your loved ones, more money to meet your dreams, then here's the plan. Register for our complimentary webinar. Watch the webinar in full and begin your journey to transformation. So click on the link now and register for our webinar. I will see you on the other side.